Hello, my name is Tim Cunningham. I am the National Sales and Product Manager for Forest River Berkshire Diesel Motorhomes. Here today to show you our brand new 2020 Berkshire XLT 45CA floor plan. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a walk around on the outside and inside, kind of going over some of the key features here for you. One of the first things I always like to talk about to begin with is just the quality of the paint job. It's second largest investment of the unit overall. As you can see here, it's got a little bit more of an added gloss using the BASF paint, 4 times the clear coat, really going to help with that UV protection and keep its longevity there for you as well. Here on the front, you're going to have a 10K generator on a nice slide out tray. Ease of access for any serviceability and things like that. You're going to have a Diamond Shield front protective mask, name brand again, to protect that quality paint job for you as you go down the road. With the Berkshire XLT 45CA, you're going to have 450 horsepower, side radiator, independent front suspension, 150 gallon fuel tank. So again, a lot of high-end features, but really for that bang for the buck pricing. One of the things that we did new for 2020 is we incorporated the keyless entry as well, part of our convenience package that gets you a 100-watt solar panel, and also the keyless entry and then Wi-Fi extender on the inside. As you can see too, this is a nice big entry door. It's very solid, very square, with a 30-inch entryway. That's really going to help with any of that air or noise dampening as you go down the road. New for 2020, you're going to have 315 front tires and 295 rear, so very, very happy. Again, helping with that ride and drive that you're going to experience. In this first compartment here, you're going to see our optional exterior freezer. It does have a nice slide tray on it. As you can see too, we have this exterior entertainment center with a nice sound bar, nice TV as well too. All of our TVs are going to be smart, as you see throughout the coach. Here in the first bay, again, you're starting to get into the abundant amount of storage that you're going to have on this unit. Your nice slide tray that will go out on either side as well. You're going to see your aqua-hot system here. Again, this is going to be an all-electric coach. You're going to be eliminating all propane. At this point too, as you can see, the benefit of the 45CA is you have this nice full wall slide over here. And what that really does is helps get you this nice awning. It's really going to help hug that campsite for you as well. Gives you really great coverage. Again, with the XLT being on that Freightliner chassis, you're going to have a nice steerable tag here in the rear, along with the B-Ride suspension system that's going to help keep you a lot more upright. As you get over here, you have your 15-gallon DEF tank. It is fillable on either side. It is a remote DEF fill. And then your 2 12-volt chassis batteries over here. Coming into the rear, because again, it is that side radiator, ease of access to your engine, your 15K tow capacity, and also your backup camera that pops up on the main screen that you'll see on the inside. This is kind of really one of the bread and butter pieces of what Forest River's done for a long time. This is our individual water manifold system. Because this is a 2 full bath unit, you're going to have a line of hot and cold that goes to each shower and each faucet everywhere. Really helps with that water pressure issues, so you can ideally take 2 showers at once. Worst case scenario, if you ever had a leak, you're able to go and isolate it at that point. Really cool feature you typically never find. You have a nice screen over here as well too that's going to show you all your tank levels. You're not going to have to run back and forth inside and out to check that. Getting over here, you're going to see your power cord reel. You're going to get into your driver's side aspect of your storage. So again, that slide tray comes out on both sides. These are very well insulated doors. I always do this. You can see, you can stand on it. It's really going to help keep everything in that bay very well protected. More storage. You're going to have your 4 6-volt house batteries, and then again your equalizer controls for our hydraulic systems. So that's one thing that we really try and emphasize and beef up. We put hydraulic slides on the majority of our slide outs, obviously, just to be able to handle all that extra weight. And then also equalizer will be in control for our hydraulic leveling system up and down. Here in this front compartment, you're going to have all your Freightliner electrical controls. You're going to have your generator release here, and then your air check valve up there. Okay, as we come inside the new Berkshire XLT 45CA, one of the main things that you're going to notice here is this brand new awesome dash. One of the main focal points is going to be this digital screen here from Freightliner. It's actually a Mercedes S-Class glass dash. You're going to have a lot more controls here on the steering wheel that ties into the radio for more hands-free driving, turning up and down the volume. You're also going to have over here the transmission controls, putting it into drive and neutral and engaging your engine brake. Because of the space that we gained, we actually were able to put in a wireless cell phone charger here, and then you can see that you have your equalizer controls over here for your hydraulic jacks. But again, one of the best parts is just the ergonomics, ease of access to all your gauges, putting up and down your nightshades, putting out the step well cover over here that becomes flush as well too. It just has that very automotive style feel to it. One of the main things that you're also going to see about the cockpit is that you have this nice drop down bed here. Being 6 feet tall, obviously I have plenty of room here. I'm not going to hit my head. When you do need it, it comes down very smooth, very quietly. It's not going to rattle going up and down the road either, with the 500-pound weight limit. Both of these chairs are going to also turn around to be incorporated into the living space with the powered footrest here on your passenger seat. As you can see, you have a nice large residential refrigerator, an induction cooktop, again because we're in an all-electric coach with the 400 aqua hot. Your optional dishwasher here, nice convection microwave here. You're going to have a very large residential farmhouse sink. There is some extra components that can actually be added into there, but again, very large and spacious. Plenty of cabinetry storage up above, drawers down below. As you can see, again, we have a very large, nice booth over here that does turn into a bed. Plenty of storage. You just flip up each cushion here at the bottom for it as well too. Very simple. With this configuration now, you have a nice sleeper sofa over here. It's actually going to turn into an air mattress bed. This is all Villa furniture, main living over here with ultra leather, probably the highest grade material that you can get. With the 45CA, you do have this opposing seating. So you have this nice large 49-inch pop-up TV, Bose soundbar, and again you get your nice large window in the rear if you need it. Nice fireplace as well. You have your touch controls over here for putting in and out your slide out, turning on and off your lights. You can do the majority of these functions actually from an app on your phone. With this 45CA, again, we have a nice, abundant amount of storage, obviously having a 2 full bath bunkhouse style. So you have your nice pantry over here. The top bunk does flip up. That's why you have a nice wardrobe rack here. You have a nice TV in each bunk as well too. So again, 2 full bath bunkhouse. Here in the center, you're going to have your first full bathroom. It does have a nice tiled shower with a bench as well. We have a shower miser system as well too, which is pretty cool. Having these 2 showers maximizes your water capacities, where it circulates the water through the aqua hot system. It's going to let you know when it gets up to temperature, and at that point you can turn on your faucet so you're not wasting your water. Coming into the nice large back bedroom, you have your full king bed, Serta mattress. Plenty of storage back here behind the TV. Plenty of drawer space down here below as well too. It's also going to have plenty of wardrobe space. You can't beat this. On each side it pulls out as well too. A nice safe. Full height mirror as well. Coming in, really what I like the best about it is probably the rear bathroom. Plenty of vanity mirrors, double bowl sinks, plenty of storage as well too. But just having the extra mirrors, it really makes it feel a lot larger. You're going to have your second full shower tile again with a nice bench, and then your optional stackable washer and dryer. Well, thank you very much. Hopefully you were able to gain some great information here on our brand new Berkshire XLT 45CA. Here at Forest River, we really pride ourselves on the bang for the buck, giving you everything you want and need and then some, all for a great value.